Hey there, brilliant mind. So, you've heard of the genius wave, and now you're doing some detective work online, trying to figure out if it really works or if it's just another overhyped promise, right? Well, guess what? You just landed on the right video because today I'm going to break it all down, no fluff, no BS, and tell you exactly what you need to know about the genius wave. All right, let's get straight to it. The Genius Wave is basically a 7-minute daily audio track, just 7 minutes. You can listen while sipping your coffee, waiting for your toast to pop, or chilling on the couch. So, what does it do? It activates a specific brainwave frequency called theta waves. And don't worry, you don't need to be a neuroscientist to get this. These waves are like your brain's turbo mode. They're naturally produced when you're in a deep state of relaxation, creativity, or meditation. Kids use them all the time. Geniuses? Oh yeah. Adults? Most of us kind of lose that connection over the years. But with the genius wave, that frequency gets reactivated, like flipping the on switch on a hidden superpower inside your head. Now hold on. This is wild. NASA, yep, the NASA, did a study and discovered that theta waves are like rocket fuel for the brain. They're highly active in people who are creative, innovative, the ones who get those aha moments out of nowhere. And backing this up is Dr. James Rivers, a legit MIT-trained expert. He's used this method on over 20,000 people, including his own family. And guess what? People went from "my brain is in a fog" to "holy crap, I'm on fire." Now you might be wondering, okay, but what do I have to do? Buy some expensive device, take a pill, book a therapist? Nope, none of that. The Genius Wave is a digital audio track. You get instant access, hit play on your phone or computer and let the sound do its thing for 7 minutes a day. No effort, no rituals, no meditation marathons, just press play. That's it. You can be lying down, sitting comfortably, eyes closed, eyes open, whatever works for you. The audio handles everything. There are so many people out there who say this thing changed their life, and I'm not just talking about slightly better memory. I'm talking people solving problems that had them stuck for months. Folks feeling more focused, more creative, and more confident making decisions. Stories of people landing dream jobs, attracting wild opportunities, even finding love. Now, of course, results vary. I'm not saying you'll become the next Elon Musk in 3 days, but if your brain's been feeling foggy, tired, scattered, this might be exactly what you need to reboot. Here's the deal, and this part's important. The Genius Wave is not for people looking for a magic pill that fixes everything instantly. It's for people who want to unlock what's already inside their brain in a way that's fast, simple, and actually enjoyable. Studying for exams? It'll help. Starting or running a business? You'll think clearer. Working in a creative field? You'll feel unlocked. Just tired of mental fatigue? This will shake it off. Basically, if you have a brain, which I'm pretty sure you do, this is for you. Now listen up. This is super important. There are tons of fake versions floating around online. And trust me, the last thing you want is some sketchy audio messing with your brain waves. If you want to try the Genius Wave, make sure you get it from the official source. And yes, I've dropped the link for you down in the description. It's the first link, totally safe, official, guaranteed. Lots of users report feeling a shift within the first 3 days. Some take a week, but most say the more consistent you are, the more powerful the results become. And honestly, some say it gets addicting in the best way possible. You'll start thinking faster, gaining mental clarity, solving problems with ease, and it might even feel like luck is suddenly on your side. Coincidence? Maybe. But when your brain's in genius mode, you notice opportunities you never saw before. All right, let's be real. You've already seen the sales pages, watched some videos, read some reviews, and now you just want someone to tell it to you straight. So here it is. If you want to upgrade your brain without flipping your entire routine upside down, then yes, the Genius Wave is 100% worth a try. It's simple, affordable, backed by real science, full of real reviews, and the mission is crystal clear. Activate the part of your brain that's been asleep way too long. And hey, there's a full guarantee. If it doesn't work for you, you get your money back. Zero risk. So if you're ready to stop running on autopilot and finally start living in genius mode, click the official link down below. Give the Genius Wave a shot and come back to this video and tell me what changed. Because trust me, there's a more focused, more creative, more powerful version of you just waiting for you to press play. 7 minutes, one audio track, one genius brain. Thanks for sticking with me. If you liked this video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss any future brain-boosting content. I'll see you in the next one, and until then, stay in genius mode.